Bro, if you're still doing surveys in 2026, we need to talk. Come. I did surveys for 3 months, made $47 total. Not per day, total. Then I found something that takes the same time, 0 skills, free to start, and pay 10x more. I'm showing you everything right now. Method 3 is the one that actually changed my life, so stick around for that. Alright, method 1. AI content services. Here is what's happening right now. Every small business needs content. Instagram posts, product descriptions, emails, all of it, but they don't have time to do it themselves. That is where you come in. You use ChatGPT or Gemini as your assistant. You are not just copying and pasting. That is lazy, and clients can tell. You are using AI to work faster while you add creativity, the local slang, the stuff that actually connects with people. Here is exactly how you start. Today, right now. Open WhatsApp, find 10 small businesses near you, restaurants, salons, phone shops, whatever. Send them this message. Hey, I noticed you haven't posted in a while. I help businesses with social media content. Can I send you free posts as a sample? That is it. No website needed, no portfolio, just value first. My guy Tunde from Lagos did exactly this. First client paid him 15,000 naira for 1 month of Instagram posts. That is like 2 hours of work per week. He now have 5 clients. They didn't happen overnight. No. Took him about 6 weeks to get consistent. But bro, 6 weeks versus doing surveys forever. Easy choice. Now, here is the thing. Some of you are watching this like, I don't want to message people. I don't want to talk to anyone. Method 2, AI data training. This one is low-key slept on. So, AI companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta, they need humans to train their systems, labeling images, rating responses, checking translations, all that, and they pay real money for it. Platforms like Remotasks, Outlier, Happen, they connect you to these tags. You sign up, do some quick tests, and start working. Now, let me keep it straight. The pay depends on the tags. Some pay $3 an hour, some pay $15 an hour. Depends on your accuracy and what's available. But check this math. Surveys, 20 minutes, maybe $0.50, and half the time you get disqualified anyway. Yes, waste of time. Data labeling, same 20 minutes, $2 to $5. That is 10x more. Same effort. Yes. My friend Priya in Mumbai does these 2 hours a day after her classes. $150 to $200 it's in her account every single month. Meanwhile, her classmates are still filling out surveys for 50 cents. Who is winning? Exactly. Think about it. The key, accuracy. The better your work, the more tasks they give you. Simple. You still with me? Good. Because what I'm about to show you next, this is where it gets real. I almost didn't include this. Retalk, the people who figured this out aren't making YouTube videos about it. They are too busy getting paid. But I'm going to show you anyway because I'm tired of watching people waste their whole year on surveys when there's better way. Method 3, AI power freelancing. Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour. You have heard of them, but here is why most people fail on these platforms. They create a profile, they wait, nothing happens, they quit. Bro, that is not how it works. In 2026, the game is different. AI lets you offer services you couldn't offer before. Think about it. Logo design, Canva AI, Lenodo AI. You can create professional logos in minutes. Video editing, CapCut has AI features that do half the work for you. And when we talk about the voiceovers, there is AI tools for that. Translation, AI plus your native language equals money. The AI handles 70%, you handle 30%. Clients get quality work, you get paid. Everyone wins. But here is the secret nobody tells you. You don't wait for clients, you hunt them. Every single day, 30 minutes, send proposals to new jobs. Not copy-paste garbage. Actually read what they need. Personalize it. Show them you are not a bot. Most people send 5 proposals, get rejected, and cry about it. The winners, they send 50, 100, 200 proposals before landing their first client. I'm not gonna lie, month 1 might be rough. You might make nothing. But month 2, month 3, if you stay consistent, it clicks. Yes, I know a guy, started January this year. First 2 months, 0 clients. He almost quit. Month 3, landed 1 client. $50 job. Small, but it was proof. Now it's at $400 a month. Took him 4 months total. You know how long it will take to make $400 from surveys? Exactly. You know? Alright, quick recap. Method 1, message local businesses, help them with content, use AI to work faster. Tunde did it. You can too. Method 2, sign up for Remotasks or Outlier. Train AI system. Start that monthly income like Priya. Method 3, this is the big one. Fiverr, Upwork, AI tools. Send proposals every single day. Don't quit when it gets hard. That is it. That is the game. All free to start, all pay way more than surveys. All available to you right now wherever you are in the world. Okay, here is what I need from you. Pick one method, just one, and start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Yes. Drop a comment right now. Just type 1, 2, or 3 for which method you are starting with. I read every single comment and I want to see you win this 2026. And yo, if this video opened your eyes even a little bit, smash that like button. If we hit 5,000 likes, I drop a full step-by-step tutorial for each method showing you exactly how to set everything up. Right? Now, if you want to learn how to use AI to get ahead of 99% of people, I'm dropping the video next. Don't sleep on it. I see you there. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.